we will continue same chapter, Earth, Sun and Moon. Okay, so first topic we have Earth. We will discuss about Earth. So if I will ask that what is Earth, what you will say? So Earth is a planet. Earth is one of the planet in solar system which supports life. Okay, and Earth is composed of water and land, and it is only the planet where atmosphere is present with 21% of oxygen, which is sufficient for our breathing. Okay, and 70% of water, means it contains both the important resources air and water for survival. Okay, two resources are very important for our survival, that is air and water, and both are found where? On Earth. Okay, so and the various physical features are found, that are the mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, canyons. These are found on Earth. So today we will study inside the Earth. Okay, what is the structure, inner structure of Earth? So here roughly I have drawn. So three layers are, you can see here, three layers are here. One is in three layers, and this one is the outer. Okay, so this outer layer is called the crust of the Earth. The middle layer is, this one is mantle. Okay, so thin layer. Crust is what? Thin layer, and mantle is little bit thick one. After that core, this one is the inner core and this one is the outer core. So these are the three layers of Earth, that is crust, mantle and core. So first we will discuss about the crust. So where we use this layer, okay, so it contains all essential things, water, land, everything that we use is present on crust. It is made up of rocks, okay, and its thickness is 5 km in ocean, okay, and 70 km on the land. Second layer, that is the thicker one, that is the mantle. It is 3000 km deep, okay, and it is made up of rocks, but rocks are rich in, here I have written the symbol of magnesium and iron. You have to search these elements in periodic table, okay, that's why I have written the symbols here. So rocks are made up of mantle, but which type of rocks? That are rich in magnesium and iron. And the lower part has magma, okay, and that is molten rock. Magma is what? That is molten rock that at the time of volcanic eruption it comes out, okay. So these are the layers, crust and mantle of the third layer, that is core, okay. So core has two parts, inner core, this one, and the outer core. So first we will discuss about the outer core. Its thickness is 2300 km and it is made up of what? Iron and nickel, okay, Fe and Ni. Again I have written in symbol, iron and nickel. And the inner core is 12, its thickness is what? Its thickness is 1200 km and it is also made up of iron and nickel like the outer core, okay. So both are made up of iron and nickel, but the inner core is the hottest part of the Earth, okay. In all the three layers, inner core is the hottest part, but then also it is solid, okay. So these are the three layers of the Earth and its properties. Okay, thank you.